In the crypto markets, there are various ways to validate data stored on crypto ledgers called blockchains. And one of these ways is called staking.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video like always. I know the bears are trying to ruin the party, they're trying to ruin the fun, but you should know what you hold. A little saying from one of the people that commented on my video, on my recent video that I put out, one of my recent videos, and that is such a great saying, guys. Know what you hold. These are the times when you're tested, but you have to stick to your plan, stick to, you know, your conviction and where you see the project that you believe in is headed for the future, and this is how you reap the rewards and the benefits. We're gonna dive into Tonic in this video. There was a recent video from the SEC chair himself, Gary Gensler, explaining how they charge Kraken with the staking situation, right? We're gonna dive into that video and break it down. If this is something that you're interested in, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the support, all of these videos that you see here, guys. Let's get every video to 1,000 views a piece, 2,000 views a piece. Keep liking, sharing, spreading the message out there, because I bring you guys nothing but value in these videos. Also, let me go through my comment section real quick. Shout out to Fitting Crypto, The King, Sanretsu, Black Ice, Johnny L, and also Bandsaw. This is a person right here. Stay strong, know what you own, all in the plan. If a person was smart, they would accumulate continually, right? You DCA, you dollar cost averaging, obviously the amount that you could afford to lose, right? Never overinvest in crypto, guys, because it is a very risky and volatile asset class, but you dollar cost average in the amount you could afford to lose into a project that you believe in and have conviction in, and then you will see the rewards and benefits in the future. He also said, great info on the recorded video from Tuesday night Twitter group chat with the new Tonic ambassador, Agent 00. Shout out to Agent 00, who's doing the Twitter spaces. You guys should definitely go and check that out, and several others that spoke. Great info, and like I said, know what you own. That is wise words right here, guys. Know what you own. Super bullish stuff. Also, gotta give shout outs where shout outs are due. My other video right here from saying Steve saying let's go Tonic, and Des Camp saying if you're scared, go to church, buy the dip. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but people always say, oh, I missed this project. I have a great entry point in Tonic right now at that 20 mil market cap range, 211k in 24-hour trade volume. This is a great entry point. This is where you DCA in. If it keeps dropping, you DCA in, you know, one buy every week, and then when it starts to move back up again, we see you see those gains come in, and you have a much better average, because a project like this is very strong fundamentally, guys. It is a very strong project. It has a strong community. It has a working team. The team is developing. I already showed you guys that Gary Orr, one of the co-founders of Crypto.com, helped to launch Tonic with his company Particle B. So there's great connections there with Tonic. It has the most TVL on Cronos chain, the Cronos ecosystem. It has the most TVL, and daily, guys, we could see the holders for Tonic growing, guys. Like, even if we take a look, cash tag Tonic right here, latest. Shout out to Kabir right here. Yesterday, 22 new people that joined the Tonic holder group, right? Now we're at 37,000 holders, which is a great achievement for Tonic, guys. That is super bullish, and you know, we're gonna see a retrace back down, but it's only a matter of time until we have a floor. We hold the floor, and then when the market starts to turn around once again, you see Tonic start to move up again, guys, because the type of move that we're seeing right here with Tonic is because of the broader market, with the news that staking on centralized exchanges is banned. But that doesn't affect Tonic in any way, because it is a decentralized protocol. It is set up through your Crypto.com DeFi wallet or MetaMask wallet, this is how you interact with the TONIC protocol, which is decentralized applications, guys. So that doesn't affect TONIC in any way. The only companies that are affected with this with this new ban from the SEC is centralized exchanges, guys. So don't worry about it, don't panic. DCA, guys, and just wait, just hold, wait until the bull market comes back, because there's gonna be negative news that so the bears could try to bring the price back down. But don't worry about it, guys, because it's going to turn around. We could already see it. The broader market is still looking bullish. Overall, the markets are still looking bullish, and it's a matter of time. Know what you own, guys. From Whale Chart, SEC Chair says, not your keys, not your coins on national TV. This is what Gary Gensler has just stated. Not your keys, not your coins. Keep your crypto on your DeFi wallets, MetaMask, Crypto.com DeFi wallet, your ledger, right? And now we're gonna go through this video from Gary Gensler himself. Today, SEC Gov charged Kraken for an unregistered offer and sale of securities through its staking as a service program. You see, man, this is like I covered in my previous video. This is just theater, guys. They really don't want, the middle class or lower class people in the world to become rich, to get out of the the issues that they're facing financially. They don't want us to attain financial freedom, so they're gonna crack down on anything that challenges the previous systems, that challenges the previous financial and banking systems. But through projects like the Cronos ecosystem, and TONIC, we are the bank, we are the new bank, and they can't stop us, guys. Whether it's through a staking as a service, lending, or other means, crypto intermediaries must provide the proper disclosures and safeguards required by our laws. This is absolutely crazy stuff, guys, and I'm just super upset at what I'm seeing right here. But let's get into the video.
What does stake have to do with our securities laws? That's S-T-A-K-E, not S-T-E-A-K.
The intro, guys. Even having a happy, upbeat music for the intro, I'm disgusted, guys. Like, honestly, I'm super disgusted.
In the crypto markets, there are various ways to validate data stored on crypto ledgers called blockchains. And one of these ways is called staking. Investors lock up their tokens in escrow and help validate the next block of data.
Thank you, Gary Gensler, for the the class on what is blockchain and staking on the blockchain. Thank you for the class.
Data. Some stakers are then rewarded with new tokens. Staking, though, can be complicated and time-consuming and can take big upfront commitments of tokens. There's also the risk that you won't get new tokens even if you stake.
Am I the only one offended that he's kind of talking to us like we're 2-year-olds, guys?
Crypto entrepreneurs started offering what's called staking as a service. No, not like the steakhouse. Basically, if you transfer your tokens to a staking as a service provider, they take control, possibly pooling your tokens with thousands or millions of others while promoting returns. But here's the rub.
This is the thing, guys. I'm telling you, decentralized finance is the future. The more they try to fight this and push, and push back and try to control this, the more the people will realize, why don't you want us to do this? Why are you stopping us from doing this? It's like, I'll make a reference to like music back in the day. Punk music back in the day, rock music was for rebellion. It was for pushing back, right? The more the SEC, people like Gary Gensler tries to put a stop to people from using these protocols, the more the people will stand up and, go against the grain to take advantage of them, right? It's like the saying that people want what they can't have. You try to take it away from us, we're gonna keep going towards it.
When a company or platform offers you these kinds of returns, whether they call their services lending, earn, rewards, APY, or staking. That relationship should come with the protections of the federal securities laws. That means you, the investor, should receive important disclosures. For example, what do they actually do with your tokens? Are they really staking them? Are they lending, borrowing, or trading with them? Are they commingling them with their other businesses?
And I really think that last part that he said right here, are they commingling them with other businesses? Are they lending, borrowing, or trading with them right here? He's talking about the FTX scandal with Sam Bankman-Fried and how FTX was giving out tokens or giving out their assets to Alameda Research, which then Alameda was trading, people's funds, right? Because FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried was giving the funds to Alameda, right? So right now, I think they're cracking down on this because of that situation.
Them with their other businesses? Where do the rewards come from? Are you getting your fair share? Are the underlying crypto protocols genuinely creating value on your investment? Or are they just new tokens that dilute the value of ones you already have? Remember, if you have a stake, that's S-T-E-A-K. If you have a stake meant for 2 and cut it into 3 pieces, it's still the same amount of stake. Unfortunately, because these staking...
Man, this is... I'm just upset watching this whole video, guys. Like, we were literally just about to turn around. Here comes the SEC to ruin the fun, ruin the party, make the beers happy, guys. We don't need your help. We don't need your protection. We are adults, We're grown adults. We are, obligated to do whatever we want with our money that we make, our hard-earned money that we work for. We don't need you to protect us, SEC, Gary Gensler. We don't need your protection.
As a service providers, generally are not providing proper disclosures. There's currently no reliable way as an investor to know the answers to these important investment questions. Plus, when you sign on the dotted line or accept the terms of service, you are generally agreeing that placing your tokens with these providers may mean transferring your ownership to them. There's an expression in crypto, not your keys, not your crypto. You see, you're basically an investor in their platform.
I don't think he has a right to say this. I really don't think you have a right to use that slogan. Absolutely insane stuff and crazy stuff that we're seeing here, right?
In their platform. If it goes under, and we've seen plenty of that recently.
Literally going back to FTX, Alameda, and their collapse. Conspiracy theorist Joven, tinfoil hat Joven is saying, that was just a plan, a systematic plan, so they could crack down on crypto even more. I'm sorry for everybody that lost their funds, but it's a crazy world we live in, guys. It's oh man.
You end up in line in the bankruptcy court. That's why it's so important that these companies and platforms comply with the securities law. After all, the securities laws, regardless of what you think of stake or staking, they're good for investors.
I completely disagree. Honestly, let's go through the replies real quick. I want to see what the replies are like. Why are you restricting opportunities for US citizens, Gary? You're preventing crypto wealth from staying inside the US. Kraken has been serving US customers for 12 years now. Now capital will go sketchy offshore platforms like it did with FTX. Why don't you provide any clarity to the industry so companies can be compliant? Your actions today help nobody. This isn't the W you think it is, mate. From Coin Bureau. Coin Bureau, big name in the space. Very big name in the space. All in all, Brian Monarch, you showed them. Oof, can't wait for your new book, How to Stifle American Innovation by Gary Gensler. I love what I'm reading in the replies. These replies are putting a smile on my face, that's for sure. TONIC fam, Crow fam, decentralized finance is the future. They want the rich to get richer and the poor to get poorer. I know which side I'm picking. I am on the financial freedom, crypto, digital assets, staking, DeFi. I hardly use centralized exchanges, only to trade, guys. That's the only way I use a centralized exchange. All of my assets are on my wallets, DeFi wallet and my ledger, okay? They can't control decentralized finance, no matter how much they try. Another situation where the powers that be are trying to put a stop to you. You as the regular, hardworking, honest working individual, right? Trying to stop you from attaining financial freedom. But they can't stop it, guys. They really cannot stop it. TONIC fam, Crow fam. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Really appreciate all the support. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you found any value in these videos, and support the previous videos as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.